Okay, some examples in finding the value of a function given a value of x or y. In this case, for our first example, then we're going to find the value of f of x, where x is in a is 5. So we have, if I'm going to translate this now, it is called f of x is equal to 2x squared subtracted by 3x. So that means the number inside the parentheses here is the same as the number that or equal to the variable x inside the parentheses in this function. So if we have f of 5 is equal to 2 times, then I will substitute the value of x, that is 5 raised to 2 subtracted by 3 times 5. Then we have 2 times 5 raised to 2 is 25. 3 minus 5 is 3 times 5 is, sorry, I am using the notation that we are using here in Sweden. Maybe you will get confused. I will use the parentheses instead. And then we have 15. Then we have 50 subtracted by 15, and we have 35. Okay, and then we have f of negative 4. Then we have 2 times negative 4 raised to 2 subtracted by 3 times negative 4. And we have 2. Negative 4 raised to 2 is 16 subtracted by negative 12. Then we have 32 added by 12. Then we have 44. Okay, let's take a look for another. Then we have find in simplest form. That means we have f of x, f of negative x is equal to 5 minus our x is negative x subtracted by negative x squared. Simplifying, we have 5 plus x minus x squared, because negative x squared is positive, so we have, and then we have another subtraction there, that is why minus x squared. For b, we have f of x plus 2 is equal to, we have 5 subtracted by, we have x there, then we have x plus 2. This whole value is the value of our x, subtracted by x plus 2 squared. They are moving things outside. And then we have 5 minus x minus 2, multiplying the negative outside, and then we have negative. The square of this binomial is x squared plus 4x plus 4. Simplifying, we have 5 minus x minus 2 minus x squared minus 4x minus 4. Simplifying, we have 5 minus 2 is 3 minus 4 is negative 1, and then we have minus 5x minus x squared. If you don't want negative for every term, then we have negative outside the parentheses, and we have 1 plus 5x plus x squared. It's alright to do that. Next example, evaluate g of 2. So we have g of 2. I hope you see my g. Then we have 2. The value of our x now is 2. So 2 times 2 plus 3 divided by x minus 4. By the way, this is a function. It is called the rational function. Okay. Oh, our x is 2. Sorry. That's it. And then we have 4 plus 3 divided by negative 2. And then we have 7 divided by negative 2. And we have negative 7 divided by 2, or negative 3.5. Okay, and then we have g of 0. Then we have 2 times 0 plus 3 divided by negative 0 minus 4. And this 0, then we have 3 divided by negative 4, and that is negative 3/4, or negative 0.75 if you want to do that. And then we have g of 1/2, g of negative 1/2, sorry. Then we have 2 times negative 1/2 plus 3, and we have negative 1/2 minus 4. And this and this will become negative 1. Then we have negative 1 plus 3. If we expand this by multiplying, no, sorry, it's the other way around. We're supposed to multiply this by 2 instead. Sorry, because we need to have the same denominator. Then we have minus 1 minus 6, that is negative 7. Sorry, negative 9. Minus 1 minus 8 divided by 2. Then we have 2 times the reciprocal of this, 2, 9, negative. Then we have negative 4, 9. Okay? And then B, find a value of x such that g of x does not exist. That means x minus 4 is not supposed to be 0. That is. So if it doesn't exist, that means it's equal to 0. That's a very good property that you need to remember. The denominator should not be equal to 0. So if I'm going to answer my B now, then I have x minus 4 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 4. So when x is equal to 4, then this function does not exist. Okay, and then we have C, we have g of x plus 2 is equal to 2 times x plus 2 plus 3 divided by x plus 2 minus 4. Then we have 2x plus 4 plus 3 multiplying to both terms in the parentheses divided by x minus 2. Then we have 2x plus 7 divided by x minus 2. Okay. Then the last one, we need to find x if g of x is equal to negative 3. So we have this one, the whole thing now is equal to negative 3. So we have 4 D. Sorry for that. Someone came again. I am making my videos in my job. So I am in a room where a lot of people come and go. Okay, so bear with me. Okay, then we have 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 4 is equal to negative 3. And if we multiply both sides of the equation by x minus 4, I will do that in parentheses, and I will put this also in a parentheses. Then we have 2x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 4 divided by x minus 4 is equal to negative 3 multiplied by x minus 4. Then this is equal to 1. And we have only 2x plus 3 is equal to negative 3x multiplying both terms plus 12. If I will add both sides of the equation by 3x and subtract by 3, so this is 0, this is 0, then we have 5x is equal to 9. Subtract both sides of the equation by 3. This is now 9. Divide both sides of the equation by 5. And we have x is equal to 9/5. Okay, on my next video, I will be discussing these examples, and I think I have 2 more examples. And I hope to see you there. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe.